you together to dedicate this memorial to all your dedicated hard work and talents that each person who donated their time and efforts from beginning to completion of the Lower Blanco River Restoration Project. We, the board, are proud to stand before you in honor of each of these persons, whether they have passed on before us or couldn't make it to this celebration or standing here today. God bless you all, and thank you.
Bless America.
That looks great. Yeah.
Someone read it. Yeah, what does it say?
It says, the Lower Blanco Property Owners Association proudly dedicates this monument in honor of those whose efforts were responsible for restoring and preserving life on the Rio Blanco River, 1989 to 2010.
Wow.